This is the 856 horsepower Novitec N-Largo kit for the Ferrari 296 GTB, most extreme Ferrari 296 you'll ever see. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Ferrari 296 GTB is one of the most desired supercars among those present in the range of the prancing horse car manufacturer. Now, speaking of this model, today I want to point out that this car has received a new package from the German tuning specialist Novitec, much more exclusive than the previous one because this one is one of those that impress at first sight and is the result of the request of most demanding customers. Now, the wide body kit that stretches the Ferrari 296 GTB and incorporates styling cues from several other Ferraris, the N-Largo kit includes an active Novitec exhaust optionally made of Inconel with 999 fine gold plating, high flow Cadillac converters, and a tune that can increase the hybrid's V6 overall output to 856 horsepower. Now, the increase in power combined with an electric regulation of the butterfly valves on the exhaust allow for the sound of the car to be customized, offering a unique and engaging driving experience. Now, the combination of extreme power and adjustable sound makes this Ferrari a masterpiece of engineering and design, capable of leaving an incredible mark both in terms of performance and stage presence. Now, the front of the Ferrari 296 GTB, modified by Novitec with the N-Largo kit, features a hollowed out lower central air intake, which helps improve the aerodynamics and cooling of the prancing horse supercar. On the sides, the lower air intakes have new openings on both ends, which draw attention towards the wheels and feature a vertical air intake that accentuates the sinuous and distinctive shape of the Maranello car. Now, all of this directs the airflow onto the 21 and 22 inch NF11NL wheels made in collaboration with Volson. In addition, the fenders have been widened and equipped with louvered air intakes and exposed carbon fiber. Now, naturally, this ends up significantly improving the aerodynamic efficiency of the vehicle and giving the supercar an even more aggressive and sporty look. Now, the Ferrari 296 GTB, modified by Novitec in its limited edition N-Largo, also has special sport springs which lower the car's ride height by 35 millimeters. This lowering ends up giving it a more aggressive look as well as improving aerodynamic performance. Obviously, some problems could arise when the car travels on winding roads. Now, to solve this problem, Novitec offers a hydraulic lift system that's an option for the front axle. Now, this system allows for the front end to be raised by 40 millimeters, allowing it to clear obstacles without compromising the integrity of the car or of its driving experience. Now, this combination of extreme performance and practicality makes the N-Largo a supercar that not only excels on the track, but also can be driven with confidence on urban streets. And of course, the interior of the Ferrari 296 GTB can also be remodeled with the tuner's extensive material package. Finally, I want to remind you that Novitec will produce only 15 units of this exclusive version of the Ferrari supercar, making it more extreme and rare than ever. So, with that said, what do you guys think about the N-Largo kit for the Ferrari 296 GTB? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.